Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are in the garden and we are harvesting some mulberries with Luna and Maya. Here are they. We are going to pick some
mulberries.
Let's show them where they are. These two trees right here I planted like 4 years ago, and I've been waiting for them to make fruits because they were supposed to be Pakistani mulberries. Long, beautiful mulberries like this, very sweet. But as it turns out, they are not Pakistani mulberries. They probably got mixed up at the nursery, and I got something else. I'm not bothered enough to go call them up and try to get my $7 that I paid for each tree. So I guess $14. I'm not so bothered. I mean, I have 4 years worth of investments in them. The mulberries are actually pretty good, even though they're not Pakistani mulberries. They're nice and delicious, very sweet, and these girls enjoy them. So we're just gonna keep them for what they are. They are already planted in the ground, and I'm not gonna dig them out just because they're not the variety that I wanted. I wish it was the variety that I wanted, but this will do just fine. So we have been harvesting mulberries from the parks, but having our very own tree is very amazing. This little tree is very productive, and it has been so good at producing so many mulberries. And we typically don't even take them into the house. We just eat them right here and enjoy them fresh. We've been having a problem with the lantern flies. You can see the little nymph there. They have been eating the little branches here, or tapping into the juice of the branches, and then they shrivel up and die. So I hope they don't do too much damage. I don't want to spray right now because there's a lot of fruits, but as soon as the fruits are done, I think I'm going to spray with neem oil the trees. I'm going to spray them really good. There's a lot of lantern flies. I think you guys haven't met Maya, or if you have, here's Maya. She has a purple mouth because she's been eating a lot of mulberries. So I am a little bit annoyed by the amount of lanternfly. Look at that.
Oh, there's so many flies.
Yeah.
How do you get these flies out here?
Don't know.
You just spray them?
Mm-hmm. Do you need some more, Maya?
Yeah.
Let's get some more. Where are they?
Right here.
Okay.
I want more mulberries. More mulberries. More mulberries.
Having your own tree is very nice because you don't have to worry about the berries being $5 a pint. You can just come and harvest them. And if any of them don't get eaten, that's okay. How are the mulberries, my ladies?
Good.
How is it, Maya? How is it? Let's see if we can find some more different kind of berries.